What's up guys, this is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel Total Technology. This is tutorial 4 and today's topic will be on WhatsApp bot, and here we'll be trying to write something back to our database. So in the first tutorial, whatever we have done, we created one simple WhatsApp bot, and there whatever is the response from the user, we actually wrote everything in one simple CSV file. In the second tutorial, we have seen how to send image file whenever there was an message, incoming message. In response to that message, we are sending some sort of like image file. In the last video, which was tutorial 3, there we responded to that message, like incoming message, with a PDF file or some sort of file. So we have done different things, like how to write back in a CSV file, how to respond to an incoming message using image file, how to respond to an incoming message using image and PDF files. So in this tutorial, we are going to achieve something database connectivity, and after that we'll try to write back something directly to the database from WhatsApp. So this is a tutorial where we are going to use WhatsApp, Twilio API, Flask, and as well as MongoDB. MongoDB, as I told you earlier, MongoDB will be used as our backend database. So try to understand the connection. So whenever there is a message or something incoming message is coming to the WhatsApp, the bot will write back the message to the database. So this is the thing. Okay, so let me first tell you something what actually we are going to achieve. So first thing is that our database setup. Okay, so let me open this thing. So guys, I'm using MongoDB cloud database instances, so you can go to this link, okay, and try to sign up for one account. And once you sign up for this account, your account, you will get something similar to this dashboard. Just because I am in Germany with this region Frankfurt, so my data center is here. Actually they are using AWS cluster, so probably if someone is trying for India, they will definitely get something in Mumbai or Hyderabad or in Singapore, I'm not sure. And if someone is trying to US or some other region, for them the location will be different, but overall the dashboard will be look like this. So let me write down this thing, sign up for MongoDB cloud instance from this. And once you sign up for the instance, if you go here in the collection, you can create multiple collections. So collection means equivalent to table. So this is not a like a SQL database. This is a NoSQL database. So everything will be like saved in the form of documents. So if someone is watching our channel for the first time, guys, please search for our MongoDB tutorial. There we have already discussed about MongoDB, and it was a complete tutorial. But again, just for the sake of understanding, I'm explaining you. So this is the database. This is the database, and inside the database there is a table. So in MongoDB, we do not say anything or we do not call anything for table or as table, rather we call this as collection. So this is database, this is a collection. So within the collection, all your data will be saved in the form of document. Document means you can think is as a key value pair, just a simple dictionary or simple JSON. Okay, so now our job is that we have seen this is Twilio, we have seen here, right? Twilio. So let me so our job is that whenever we are trying to say something here or write something here, so the same message will be saved here in this database collection. Okay, so for example, if I send a message as a test, the test will be saved here. So till now we have achieved the same thing in the form of CSV file. We did something with image file, we did something with the PDF in first, second, third tutorial. So here what we are doing, we're trying to establish the connectivity in the database. So actually now I'm telling you why I'm doing this thing, because in the next video we are going to develop one fully fledged customer service kind of a bot. There we are going to book some sort of taxi, cab, or we'll book some sort of restaurant table, or we'll book some sort of salon appointment or doctor appointment, whatever. So for that thing we need to get continuous or simultaneous responses back and forth from the user and from the our automated bot. So bot will get the responses from the database. So if I do this thing immediately, then that will be difficult for all of you guys to understand. So that is why I'm creating this intermediate tutorial, so everything will be clear, like how the database is connected to the WhatsApp and how WhatsApp is interacting with the database. So this is to give you some sort of idea. So if I go here, I'll explain you everything. So first thing first, let me database and create database and collection as per your collection with name, anything you want. Okay, for me actually I have given its WhatsApp DB, the database name, and the collection name is WhatsApp DB as well. So first thing first, we'll write the code first. Okay, so there is nothing, only the coding part is left. So let me just give a name of this thing. Okay, WhatsApp bot to write back into database, and database is MongoDB. Okay, so we'll import all the libraries first. From Flux, import Flask and request. Okay, and we'll also import Twilio dot twiml dot messaging response. We'll import datetime, we import CSV. That's it. Okay, so maybe something else also will be required, but let's just start our coding with this thing. So first thing first, so we'll first define the define the app first. So for doing that, what you need to do, we'll give same name, appbot. Okay, so this is the name of our file, or sorry, a name of our application. So this is going to be like last time, and here we'll give underscore name this. Okay, and after that we'll create the route for this bot, app dot route, like this, and there we'll give SMS, and we'll put methods equals to get post. Done, right? So then we'll define one function. Okay, so inside the function our actual job will be done. So first thing first, we'll put number, like what number actually which number we are getting the response. So this is going to be request dot from dot get, and here it will be like from. Okay, and number equals to number dot replace, and as you all know, we need to replace with something. I do not remember, so rather what I'll do, I'll just try to print this thing now. Print number, and just make it like this, and after that if underscore name underscore equals to underscore main underscore, and this will be like this, app bot dot run. So if I run this thing, this will work. Okay, so guys, in the last video you have already seen like how to set up this Twilio things and not. I'm not going to do all this part because I'm assuming that all you guys are familiar with this Twilio sandbox configuration. So this is nothing but this URL. See this URL, and how to set up this ngdoc and other things already decided in the last video. So if someone is watching this tutorial or this video for the first time, guys, please go back and watch the tutorial 2nd or 3. Everything is decided, and everything has been discussed on like implemented in that video as well. So if I do this thing, let's run this thing. Okay, it's saying invalid. Why invalid? I am not sure. Appbot equals to, okay, appbot equals to, okay, actually I did a mistake. It will be appbot, that's why it is coming like this. Okay, running. So now what I'll do, I will just go to Twilio. Okay, so Twilio is already open over here. So guys, I'm not going to discuss the Twilio account setup. This is very simple thing we already discussed. So if I send hi, so we'll receive something. We should receive something. Okay, WhatsApp. So my number, this is my number from where actually getting, so I need to replace this thing. Okay, so for that thing actually I did this thing, nothing else. So it will be replaced with nothing, that's it. And the message text underscore text will be same thing, just we need to replace from with the body. Okay, that's it. So our message is there, our message body is also here. So what I'll do, I'll now try to put this thing in the database. So before doing that, we need to establish the database connectivity. So for that we need one more library, so that is pymongo. This library. So guys, you need to install this pymongo library using pip install pymongo. So that's it. So and here we'll be using mongo client. Okay, and we'll be setting up the connection now. Okay, so CLIN the client equals to mongo client, and inside that we'll be putting our some sort of connection strings, but this is not connection string guys, this is something different, but I'll explain you. So once you sign up to this MongoDB Atlas website, or you will go to your dashboard and click on connect. Okay, and once you click on connect, you can click on connect to your application here, and after that you should select Python, and you should select your version 3.6 just because I am in, and after that you have to just click copy, and you have to put everything over here. Okay, and you have to give like this, everything in quotes, but I am not going to do this thing because I'm just going to use not going to use hard-coded thing, rather I'll be going to get it that from one sort of like CSV file, and my credential is already here in this file create.txt. I'm not going to open that because some sort of issue, security issue, hope you guys understand. So probably I can write this as ID, then this and this, and again after that I will put this, and I will also remove this with password, and after that this and this, like this. So this is closed here, this is closed here, ID, and after that actually you need to give like this. Okay, and now ID and password, we need to pass our ID and password, actual ID and actual password. So for that we can read this file, what is the name of the file? It is create.csv, text. So what is going to happen with open, and after that we need to pass the file create.txt as f1, and after that data row equals to CSV. We already imported CSV, then it will be reader, and inside that we'll put f1, and delimiter will be comma because it's CSV file, like this. Okay, I'm going to start one for loop. So if someone is not familiar with this thing, I'll highly recommend you guys to do watch our other videos as well. Data row, so ID equals to the first one, so row 0, and password will be the row 1. But why this is like this? Data row here, data row is not coming. Okay, I'm just giving it for row I7. Okay, so ID is equal to row 0, password equals to this, and then I give ID here and password here. That's it. But why we are getting this thing? Because we need to fix our indentation. Okay, so that's it. So hopefully this is fine. Everything should work now. So let's run this thing now, and we'll see. If you're not getting any error, fine. This error is fine because we are not returning anything from the function, so the method, that is why it is getting the error. So we already discussed this thing in the last video, but other than everything should be fine. Okay, so let's run this thing. username pass be expecting. Okay, we need to parse our password here, so that is why we need to put import url lib. So what you have to do, url lib dot parse quote. That's it. Now this should work. Yes, everything is fine. Okay, so that's it. So our established database connection has been established here. Now what I have to do, you have to just connect to our database. So db is going to be client. Okay, and after that we need to like just give the name of our database. Okay, so our database name is here. Let me just close this thing, and if you go to collection, so our database name is, in our case I have multiple database, our database name is WhatsApp DB. Okay, so I'll write this thing like this, WhatsApp underscore DB. Okay, so let's run this thing. So if there is no error, it means this is working. Okay, so let's run this thing. See, there is no error, it means this is working. So then we'll collection equals to DB, again the same thing. Our collection name is also same, WhatsApp DB. So we'll write the same thing again. Okay, that's it. Guys, I actually have already discussed this thing in our early in our tutorial on MongoDB, but if someone is not like familiar with this tutorial and those things, I highly recommend you guys to watch our, or just go to our YouTube channel and try to follow this tutorial. And also I'm planning to put the same course on Udemy with fully fledged hands-on driven approach. Okay, so let's run this thing again. That's it, no error. So our collection has been established here. Now we need to write something here. So as I told you, the actual data will be right here. Here actually, see, we can insert thing. So now our job is that whenever someone like sends some message to this account, that should be some response, and the message whatever, like if you send hi should be added here. Okay, so that is the main job for us now. So we'll do that thing now. Okay, so what is going to happen now? So I'll tell you. So we got our number, we got our message. Now we need to write this thing, right? So for writing something, what you have to do, we have to just collection dot collection dot insert. Okay, and as I told you, it is always in the form of what do you say, in the form of JSON. So for that, so the number is going to this num. Okay, and message is going to MST test. Okay, and we need to get the time as well. So we haven't got the time yet. So what I'll do, I'll just create a variable dt is equal to date time dot now dot strf time, I believe. Yes, strf time, and after that we can just like this then year month day, right? Probably I can just make it a bit more readable, and after that this, and after that we'll write hour, minute, second, and probably we can write like this here, and after that we can just and P for AM or PM, like small p, like this. This is DT, so probably you can write DT. Okay, so that's it. So that part is done, and once everything is done, we need to like send some sort of message over here. So what I'll do, like ms, like here msg is equal to messaging response like this, and after that resp response equals to message dot message, and here probably I can write like your response has been added to our DB. That's it, right? It means our message has been updated to our DB, and then now next thing is that we need to just return this thing. Okay, then this is going to be like return str. So this is like from the earlier tutorial, so there is nothing new here. This is msg. So that's it. So there is nothing new here, so everything is done and dusted kind of a thing. Your response has been added to our DB. And so what will happen, so if I write something here, and the same will be updated here. Okay, so that's it. So let me just stop this thing and start the server again. So it is running. Okay, so let me just try to send something, test message. Let's see what happened here. So see, this it is like it's calling this one post an SMS. So let me check here if we get the data here or not. So for that we need to refresh this thing. So it's refreshing. Okay, so we haven't got anything, so I'm not sure why we didn't get anything here. This is strange. Not sure why this is not updated. Actually this should update. Why this is not getting updated? WhatsApp DB is there, everything is fine, properly done, but still. Okay, this is saying this is not updated. Okay, number is num, then message is equals to message underscore text, nothing actually updated. This is not good. So what I'll do, I'll try to print this thing here, print collection. Let's check whether it is getting printed properly or not. So let's run this thing. See, it is properly here. WhatsApp DB is here, collection is printed. Then if we run collection.insert, why this is not printed? This is strange. Number is this collection.insert. I am not sure why this is not getting updated here. Let's this is the database and this is the collection. No record actually. So let me refresh this thing. Your response has been added to DB. This is coming, but this part is not coming. This is very strange. Okay, I'm not sure there is another what db. Probably I did some mistake. Okay, actually there is some mistake I did. Actually, if you see what db, and actually it created a new database over here, and inside that there is a WhatsApp db, guys. So sorry for that. So it is actually updated here. So it is my mistake. Actually, I just did a typo. So what I'll do, I will delete this thing. I will delete this thing. There is no point. So sorry for the confusion, guys. So this was some sort of typo from my side, but apart from it is here, so there is nothing. So what I have to do, I have to just change this thing. D will be replaced with S, WhatsApp, and probably I can again run this thing. So now fine. So now everything will be updated here. So let's run this thing again. Hello, this is test message. So see, your response has been added. Now we'll check here with refresh. See, hello, this is test message and the timeline. So this is fine. So guys, just sorry for the confusion. For some time it happens, like I just mistake with D, so that is why it created a new database, and there actually it was happening, everything was happening. So that's it. So I'm not sure that I'll be able to put the whole code in the PDF or not, but let me just try to do it. Let's try to put the whole code in the PPT, but I'm not sure whether this will be a right idea or not. So, and then I need to make it a bit smaller. Let's 10. Okay, 10 is fine. Okay, fine. But don't worry, guys, I will upload the same code into our GitHub repository, and also I will share the link of the GitHub repository and as well as this PPT. Okay, so don't worry. So just before driving towards the end of the video, I need to just give a quick recap to you guys. So these are the like required libraries, so you need to install if you are getting some sort of error. So PyMongo is required for establish the connection with Python and MongoDB, and this part is to reading the credential from here. I'm just creating a comma separated file here with user ID and password. So this means the user ID means the first value in the column, and this is the second value of the column. And after that we are getting everything from here, the establishment of this thing, and for that you need to go to this URL cloud.mongodb.com. you will establish your account here, and after that you will get your dashboard, and if you follow those things it will be easier. And we are getting our database connectivity here, and after that we are just pointing towards our collection, and this is not required actually, this thing, let me remove. And after that just usual thing with Flux. So here we are getting the number, here we are getting the body of the message, we are actually replacing the number with this thing. And after that we are like formatting our date time with this format, and after that we are sending the data to the database using collection.insert. So again, someone will ask you how I get collection.insert. So guys, this is a tutorial where there was a tutorial, not there was actually, still the tutorial is available in the YouTube. If you guys follow our channel or our YouTube link, or also Udemy, I'll be publishing the same course very soon. There you will find all the details about how to establish the connectivity with Python and MongoDB. So this is the reason I am doing this tutorial now. So if I just go ahead and create the bot in the next tutorial with all the facilities, like there we need to back and forth send continuous message from the end user point of view and from the bot point of view, and that time we'll be using MongoDB continuously. And if I do that, this sort of things there, it will be difficult. So just to avoid that confusion and the complexity of that tutorial, I just created this tutorial for the intermediate, so that you guys will get some sort of intuition, and it will be easier for all of you guys to understand that how to establish the connectivity and how to write the things in the database from WhatsApp. So actually here, whatever we are doing, we are writing something in the database directly from WhatsApp, right? This is cool, right? This is kind of a magic. So most of you will think in your like a few months ago or few years ago, it's very difficult thing. Now you understand this is very simple. So everything is possible. If you think analytically, it will happen. And then we are just updating this response, and we are getting the response here. See here, your response has been updated to the DB. That's it. So this is very simple tutorial, and hopefully I believe you guys all enjoyed the series, but stay tuned with us. In the next video we are going to create the actual bot. I'm not sure what type of bot, but it will be a fully fledged customer service or help desk related bot where you can book your restaurant table, doctor appointment, salon appointment, or whatever. So I'm not sure what is going to be the bot actually, but we'll be definitely coming up this sort of idea. So that's it, guys. Hope to see you in the next video very soon. Till then, take care, goodbye. Keep subscribing to our channel, keep buying our course from Udemy. Thank you very much for all my Udemy students. It is only because of you guys I am just doing this tutorial with more motivation and humbleness. So thank you very much, thanks for the support, and hopefully in future also you guys will be there for me, and I'll be uploading some amazing course for us, for yours. So actually this is learning for both of us, yours and as well as for my end as well. So thanks for everything, and for all the Udemy folks, again, if you're having any doubts, question, or if you're having any difficulty to understand, please directly message me. I'll be always there. I actually always online in Udemy. I can reply back to immediately. And for all the YouTube member subscriber, thank you very much. Thanks for subscribing our channel. Those are not yet subscribed, please do it. Please hit the like button, please hit the bell icon, and share our videos with your family, friends, whoever is relevant for the topic if you think. And if you have any other topics where you want us to create the video, please feel free to write me. I'll always try to add some new contents. And if you're having any doubt with our content or feedback or complaint, or you want to provide some suggestion, please feel free to give us. We always try to improve our quality. So that's it, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and have a nice weekend.